Welcome to a video about permalinks. A permalink, also called a stable link or stable URL, is a common feature of subscription databases used in academic research. When you search in a subscription database through the library, the database needs to authenticate you as part of UNCG before it gives you access to any articles. When you are on campus, this is done automatically through the university's IP address. When you are off campus, the database prompts you to enter your iSpartan login credentials before it gives you access. Typically, the URL you see in your browser address bar when you are reading an article in a database is just a temporary address the database generates to give you access to the article in that moment once it has authenticated you. It will not bring you back to the article later. That is why we use permalinks in our citations for bookmarks. When we share articles with others, it is important to know that you cannot just bookmark an article from the database in your browser. We're going to go over a couple of library databases and where you can find the permalink or stable URL within the interface of the database. Note that interfaces of library databases do change. Be sure to follow these tips and tricks of where to find the permalinks in case the interface is different. Library databases are subject-specific collections of scholarly resources. To find them at UNCG libraries, you can go to the library homepage, library.uncg.edu, and then click on the Database tab to see our full list. We're going to go over EBSCO, which houses many popular databases such as Academic Search Complete, Business Source Complete, CINAHL, PsycInfo, SportDiscus, ERIC, Education Source, and many more. Here is an example of an article within the EBSCO interface within Academic Search Complete. To find the permalink within EBSCO databases, you can scroll down and it's over on the right under permalink. Another popular database interface is ProQuest or ProQuest Central. There are many different ProQuest databases as well. To find the permalink on a resource in ProQuest Central, you can go to Abstract Details of the article and scroll down, and it's under Document URL. You can also go to All Options and grab the link at the top. JSTOR is another popular library database with its own interface and way of creating a permalink. In JSTOR, to find the stable URL or permalink, you can copy it from right here, or you can go down to the Abstract and Details to get the login link here. I'm going to show where to find a permalink in the library catalog, which is this red box on the library homepage. For any item that you find within the UNCG catalog and you want to save it for later, you can click on the Share button. Here is the URL, or permalink that will take you back to this entry. PubMed is for medical literature or biomedical literature from Medline, life science journals, and online books. It is a free index database, but UNCG Libraries links it to our catalog, so make sure you're entering PubMed through UNCG Libraries website to get full access to articles. Because PubMed is a free citation index, there is no permalink option. You can grab the citation over to the right. Be sure to grab the PDF by following the UNCG button to find the PDF of the article and save it. You can also save the Digital Object Identifier or DOI in order to find it again, or at least keep the information about the item. Or you can grab the link at the top of your browser and copy it, but you'll lose the full text link. So this will bring you back to this without the UNCG, which again, you could then find this article again by grabbing the title and throwing it into PubMed later through the UNCG Libraries link. Today we have gone over just a few popular library databases at UNCG, but let's go over some tips and tricks to save resources from library databases for your research or for your assignments. Always try and save the PDF or full text of the article or resource to your computer or a cloud service. Other things that can help you find the article again are saving the citation, title of the article, or the DOI, Digital Object Identifier. If you use a certain database a lot, such such as PubMed or Academic Search Complete or ProQuest Central. Consider creating an account within that database to save articles, create alerts, and more. Consider saving the resource in a citation generator or citation management system such as zbib.org or Zotero. Both of these are open source and free to use online and help you save resources for your research, as well as help you create citations in text and bibliographies. Remember, there are many databases through UNCG libraries, so interfaces of these databases will be different. Permalinks or stable URLs will be found in different places, or the interface might change on these popular databases that we have covered today. Be sure to consult your librarian or to chat us through our library chat service to find more information about Permalink or where you would find permalinks while you're searching for articles.